I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright, you got this enclosure finished for the Ciare 12-inch speaker. So like I said, painted or whatnot. So, I guess all we gotta do is put the sub in here. Be the next thing. So y'all bear with me. Let me get this man, it's flying around everywhere. So I gotta get, I don't know if my camera's up high enough. Y'all work with me if it ain't. Let's see. Alright, there we go. So as y'all seen in the other video, we did the speakers and the tweeters, so we're gonna go ahead and get the subwoofer set down in there and wired up and everything. And I hadn't quite figured out I know I'm wired up to 1 ohm, so I know that for sure. So y'all give me just a second. I'm gonna get that together. We'll be right back. Let me move this subwoofer. It's got a little weight on it, so y'all bear with me. All right, get my stuff together right quick. Oh man. Oh, Uncle Loud, man, hit this little soldering gun. He ordered it, ain't no telling. Unc ordered anything. He probably ordered this off of T-Mew or something. Unc do that. Little soldering gun. I don't know how it got wrapped up like this, but it's gonna work. So, if not, I still got the old school stuff like this. Yeah, man, oh shit. Well, I should better get it like this. I ain't got my wire strippers out, so I'm gonna make it work. I do have the wire strippers, but I'm gonna go what I got in my hand for the moment. I ain't in no hurry. Feel pretty good out here today, so I'm gonna take my time. Try to give y'all a little bit more, just some different type of stuff. Burn a hole in my table. All right. Yeah, man, be sure to like and subscribe on the channel. I sure appreciate it, man. We I don't know, man. The channel been growing a little bit. It ain't been growing real fast, but just a little bit at a time is good enough for me. You know. I sure appreciate y'all, cause some people ain't subscribed, but that's fine too. I just appreciate y'all watching. Y'all can see that sub right there. That's a pretty decent sub. It ain't too bad. As far as the weight, it is bad. But as far as, you know, How it's made, it ain't too bad. It's pretty good. From what I can see. I'm not a specialist either, so. All right, let me get this wiring together. Can't answer the phone right now. I'm trying to do something. Every time I get to doing something, somebody gonna call. I started to do it live, but I don't know, man. I don't really do lives that often. I would like to, but there don't really be people on them like that. I mean, I guess maybe I have to keep doing them, or maybe I just like the videos more. One way or the other, I'm gonna get this wire off here. Over the last. Ran through my stuff. Man, all this is just some makeshift stuff. Of course, you can use all the right equipment. But I'm just using what I got right here for right now. So y'all work with me. Work with me. Here. Here we go. I might just have to do it the old way, man. This thing here giving me a hard time. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. Oh, way probably better, to be honest with you. I ain't gonna. All right, I'm back. I had to let the battery charge up on the phone and the drill. It ain't 100% charged, so I had to kind of, you know, put everything on a charge or whatnot. And of course, we gotta work with what we got. It ain't full of charge. We're gonna get there before we go all the way there. So, we're getting ready to screw the, put the screws in the subwoofer, and we'll be ready to go. Or in, you know, screw it down and whatnot. Hopefully, we don't put it in the subwoofer. We don't want to do that. All right, we made it through without putting a hole in it. All right, there we go. All right, box ain't perfect, but it gets the job done. So tell you what we got here, we ended up building this box out of MDF. We went to a local wood shop, and I usually use pine or something like that, whatever I can get really, but I haven't used MDF in a while. But ain't nothing wrong with it. You know, each his own, however you like to use, whatever you like to use. But the deal with that is, yo, I went to a local wood shop, I mean a lumber yard or whatnot, and they had a bunch of it at a good price, and they told me, you know, I can come and get it, you know, for a good little price. And so I went on ahead and got it, and I got a couple extra seats sitting around, so I think we might build something else after this. So y'all be sure to stay tuned, like, subscribe. In the next video, we're gonna plug this thing up. I'm trying to get another amp. That way, I won't have to plug this up to the 8K. Cause last time I plugged up something to the 8K, well, it was kind of a torture test, so that was almost intentional. But I didn't really intentionally blow it. But they wanted me to do a torture test on it, and that's what we did. So we actually lost the subwoofer at that time. So anyway, man, that's what happened. But there's neither here nor there. But we're gonna give this thing a test, man, and we'll be back. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, share the video, be sure to check out Ciare speakers. The link will be down below in the description where you can go and check them out. And be sure to share the video and tag them and whatnot, and let them know what you think of the products. So thank y'all for watching the video. See y'all back on the next one.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.